This Uber scam has to stop, and here's why. So this is what happened on Tuesday at 4 a.m. On Monday or Sunday night, Monday morning, whatever. This is from a couple of days ago. This Uber Pax reported me as being intoxicated while driving. And this has to be the most scandalous Uber scam out there. When an Uber Pax falsely report you for being intoxicated while driving, this shit has to stop, Uber. This is way too much, man. All right, guys, I'll let you see the convo between me and Uber support. So this report came in at October 21st, 3:04 a.m. So that would be Monday morning at 3:04 a.m. Yeah. Sorry if I got the time and dates mixed around. Yeah. Lately, I've been doing mostly graveyard. So it was Sunday night, Monday morning. Yeah. So this came in at 10:21, 3:04 a.m. And yeah, I'm gonna do a screen recording as well. So let me paraphrase what they say, huh? All right, so I'm gonna paraphrase what they say, and I'll do the screen recording right here. All right. Hi, Van. We received feedback that you appear to be under the influence during a recent trip. That's bullshit, but I'm gonna keep on reading. Our community guidelines prohibit illegal activity, including using drugs and driving under the influence of any substances while using Uber apps. Due to the nature of this report, access to your account has been placed on a temporary hold while we investigate further. Please note, reports of this nature can result in permanent loss of access to the driver app. Your response to this message is required, and your account cannot be reactivated without it. Once we receive your response, you can expect us to follow up with you within 48 hours with an account update. And then here's my response. This is my response within 30 minutes. This is ridiculous. I am completely sober. Do you need me to go do a drug test right now? So by the way, this is not the first time some bullshit like this happens. This happens to me on Lyft in 2015. Same shit. This couple freaking accused me of being intoxicated while driving. This is way back in 2015. Yeah. So after I offered to submit a drug test or whatever sobriety test, they just give me a fucking copy and paste response. They say it's not necessary. One of my fellow Uber drivers told me about this. It's usually a 24 to 48 hour hold on your account. Yeah. So I offered to do a drug test. They say it's not necessary. So anytime a fucking scandalous Uber Pax try to get a free ride, they either A, report you as being intoxicated, B, report you as being rude or disrespectful. It's a lot of bullshit, you know. C, they report that your picture doesn't match your profile picture on the Uber app. Yeah, man, this Uber scam has to stop, Uber. And first thing first, you need to check with the customer before you deactivate the driver, you know. This is unnecessary. And that's why you should always multi-app and cherry pick for situations like this, man. I have Lyft and Uber, and with food delivery, I have 3 apps. I have a total of 11 gig apps. But long story short, you need to multi-app and cherry pick. So if you are one apper, if you only have Uber, you're gonna be put out of work for 24 to 48 hours. And you know, in today's economy, everybody's living paycheck to paycheck, right? Yeah. But my fellow Uber driver from LA, he's like, don't worry about it. Well, this happened to me in 2015, you know. It's not my first rodeo, but you know, He's like, don't sweat it, you know. Just gonna be put on a 24-hour hold. And then 22 hours later, 22 hours later, I chatted with them again. I'm like, I have dash cam footage, dual lens dash cam. Which ride reported me as being intoxicated? I will upload it to you guys. And they just give me a fucking copy and paste response. They wouldn't give me which passenger or which ride that reported me as intoxicated. What the fuck you want me to do? Upload the whole 8 hour of driving that day? Do you know how long that takes? 8 hours or some shit of an 8 hour dash cam footage? Yeah. So basically, when there's a freaking scamming Uber packs try to report you for some bullshit like this to get a free ride, the standard operating procedure or the protocol with both Lyft and UberX is just put your account on hold, and you know, it's fucking bullshit if you ask me. Yeah. So on Tuesday night, I was gonna go home and upload the footage, but I drank at home with my roommates. And when I woke up, account was reactivated without me uploading any fucking dash cam footage. Yeah. But man, yeah, this I mean, this is not my first time, but still, you know, the way these fucking gig apps treat you is fucking bullshit, you know. Yeah. So, by the way, yeah, I am reactivated on UberX and Uber Eats once again. But what is the lesson from here? Multi-app, cherry pick. Number 2, have a dash cam, dual lens dash cam in your car. I highly recommend Venture N5. Speaking of Venture N5, I will drop the link in the video description on where to buy it. So if you are an Uber driver or Lyft driver and want to support me, you can buy the Venture dash cam somewhere down below. Always have a dash cam in case something more serious happens. In case if you're a male driver and a female accuse you of sexual, you know, whatever, yeah, some SA, yeah. In case a female accuse you or vice versa, accuse you of SA or something more serious, you will have evidence in the court of law. Yeah. But I mean, this is serious, but not as serious as SA. Yeah. So always have a dash cam. And nowadays, when you pick up a rider, it says rider may record audio for safety or rider may record video for safety. So it's a two-way street, yeah. So the driver is allowed to record the passenger and vice versa. Yeah. Always have a dash cam in your Uber, fam. Yeah. And yeah, man. I mean, I don't want to get all fucking emotional and shit. This is my second or third time encountering some bullshit like this, you know. But lesson learned here, guys. If you're an Uber or Lyft driver or even food delivery, just have a dash cam, dual lens. And number 2, multi-app cherry pick. Anyways, that's all for today's video, guys. Please check out my other YouTube channels. I have a total of 7 channels. Side Hustle Addicts 2, Van Live, Jolly Holly. Let's get Jolly Holly monetized. That's my dog. Who else? My Vietnamese channel, Denver Dashcam 365. That's just my dashcam footage. Cinematic Drone 365. And once again, thanks for the love and support on helping me reaching 100,000 subscribers a few months back. Really appreciate it. Shout out to Mike213. Yeah, this shit happened to him, but it also happened to me in 2015. But you know, yeah. Anytime you're working and something unexpected just comes up, it just fucking pisses you off, you know. Anyways, thank you for watching today's video, guys. If you haven't done so, please subscribe, smash the like, and last but not least, and most importantly, ring the notification bell. Ring the bell, that way you don't miss out on new videos. Spontaneous live stream. That's how I do my live. I never schedule my live streams. Yeah. Thank you everybody for watching. Work smarter, not harder. Yeah. And if you haven't had a dash cam and you want to cop one, please use it in my channel's description. I'm out, guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace.